Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to do just a little paint job here. Remember I showed you this side of the wall that I said it needs to be painted. This is a wall that was painted several times, and I did it sort of in this dark blue if you would have seen my video a couple years ago. So when I tried to paint it with the white, it kind of bled through and it looks like a bluish gray, and I don't really particularly want that. So what I want to do is just, I've been testing these paints here. I just want to go starch white. I really just want to go bright white that's going to match with the new mirror that I have here, and I wanted to pop out with the black. So I'm kind of just trying this out just to make sure that this color is correct. So I kind of just sort of did some swatches here in the corner here, and this of course has to be replaced. This needs to be replaced. So I'm taking things down over here so I can paint just this side of the wall here. And I'm going to bring it across here, just the bottom here. So these cream color chairs won't be again sort of like a light bluish. I don't want it light blue. I sort of want it just to be just a regular white. And I think this will pop this a little bit. I'm not going to touch this part because I have my wording here, so I'm not going to touch anything below the gray. I am not going to remove this television. It's too heavy. I'm just going to paint around it. I'm going to remove the sound bar and just move items just off here. Okay, and then remove this bottom because I didn't finish painting at the bottom. Okay, so this will be removed as I just paint this side of the wall. And another thing I want to show you is the decor I'm going to use for this project. I got sent to me this beautiful candle. It is a color changing candles. It's by Cynthia Candle. It is absolutely beautiful and it is remote control. So I want to show this product at the end of my decor where I'm going to place it. And I'm going to review this candle and I will show you at the end how this looks in my home decor. Okay, so I put one chair back, guys, just to see if this is bright white enough, and I believe it is. Now you can see the cream color with the white. I did about two coatings. I think this is enough, and this is the effect I want to get, because you see again the black with the cream with the white. It's going to have a little still coolness to it. It's not as yellow as the of course the cream, but it's still like a bright white. And this is the effect I was looking for. And again, as you can see here, when you see the white against the gray, that's what I was wanting. You see up top how it's like a blue tint towards the gray, and this is the white towards the gray, and this is the effect that I was looking for, because I think that'll look nice when I do the put everything back with the black and the silver mirror. So I'm going to do a couple coatings of this, and I'm going to see if I can paint that old grid up here. You know, when you're a rental, there's some things that you can and cannot do, so you can clean it the best you can. But again, I'm going to try to paint that. I don't think they'll mind, hopefully. And I do like that gray. I can still see a little bit of blue peeking through, so I'm going to do probably 2, maybe even 3 coatings. And I try to get the line the best I could, because I usually don't tape it, because since they have texture walls, it's kind of hard to texture tape. So I just try to line it up the best I can. Alright guys, so this is finally painted. Yes, all the way up, and I just kind of painted the vent up top so it won't look like it's tan, sort of like it blends in the white wall. To me, it still looks a little reflective. Maybe it's just me, and I think maybe sometimes color does bounce off each other, and I think with this gray wall, maybe it's bouncing. I don't know if it looks white or like a little bluish tint. So it's time to put things back. To me, this is like white. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl. It is time to put everything back. I have everything kind of painted. So I'm just going to wipe down and put everything back where it belongs. So, alright, let's get started. I'm showing you these Cynthia candles again, and I just wanted to show you again how they come in different colors here. And the best thing about these candles are, guys, these are actually real wax. I mean, I couldn't believe it when I took it out the box and I felt it. It was actually real wax. Now, you could put these on patios. Now, I wouldn't put on my patio because here in Las Vegas, it gets up to 110 degrees, and I wouldn't want them to melt, so I would keep them indoors. But they come in beautiful colors, and this is the remote control for them. And as you can see, they change different colors. You can go from red to blue to a nice amber. I love this color blue. It goes beautiful, but guess what actually goes beautiful with? So guys, I'm going to use this in my fall decor. Again, I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. I was so excited when I felt these, and these things was actually real wax. Okay, I couldn't believe it. So for them to be lit, and they don't look phony, they don't look fake. I think you guys will really like this in your home decor. They're very reasonable. I'll leave the link for this in the description box so you can purchase this for your home decor. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and look at the color. And guess where I'm going to use them on? Remember these? My 3-tier, I had no candles for them. So I am going to place them here, here, and here. Because this is going to be for my fall decor, guys. I think this is going to come out absolutely beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Again, they change colors. I love that. And I'll probably keep them sort of like a warm amber color like here. They cut on together. Guys, I think this would be wonderful for your fall decor. And I'll probably put some greenery right here. I'm only placing certain things here. I'm not sure where to place these yet. Should I put them here? Should I put them over with the mirror? Or should I put them on my shelf? And I like the fact that you can see that the remote control can actually go, and it has a timer as well. As you see, it flashes. So this is a 4-hour timer. This is an 8-hour timer. And this is multi. So you can see how they do a multi-color, and they change colors. Look at that, from amber to white to blue to green. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely stunning. Guys, you need to try this out. And again, I'm not going to show you something that I do not like on my channel. So again, I appreciate the people from this company who sent this to me, from Cynthia Candle. And it has like a little flicker.